Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel, Sean's Specialties. So thank you for joining me on this hot summer day. And if you're new to joining me, thank you for watching. And thank you for all my subscribers. It really means a lot. So let's get right into it. Today we're making sand cups, and I'm bringing the beach to you guys. These are some fun things that I do at the beach: boogie boarding and making sand castles. And let's get right into it. So first, you just have your organic graham crackers, one package, and you crush them up with some Vanilla Wafers so it looks like sand. And now you get 2 boxes of vanilla pudding, and you open the bag and pour the mix out into a bowl. Then get 4 cups of milk and pour it in and whisk it up until it is thick. And now that's where we are, so let's get started. So we have our whipped topping, and we're going to dollop this in there. It's 12 ounces of the whipped topping. And this is so fun for summer because I am making a summer beach scene, and this is going to look really great. And let's just mix it in. And this is great. Thank you guys for joining me and for supporting my channel. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, and to support my channel. Thank you to everyone and my subscribers. It means so much. And a little more, and we've made, this is good. And we made it. So let's get our cup out and let's spoon some sand. We have our sand, and we have our pudding. And there we go. And let's keep filling it to the top. We want a little space so that we can decorate. And this is going to look so great once it's decorated. Oops, went over the top. We just get a little bit of, we just get our cloth and we wipe it. All better. Now we fill it the last with sand, and almost done. On to the decorating. So now we are decorating. I have some honey bears, and I have 2 dots for the chair. And I try to get all my stuff healthy, but sometimes you can't. So you just go what you have, and you have a good time. And now we have some lobsters, and we have fishies, and a sea turtle. And of course, we have to have an umbrella because you need to stay cool while having fun. And this just looks great. And remember to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more of my videos. And let's try it. This is going to be so good. Let's try it. This is so good. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more of my videos. And remember to go to the beach. It's summertime. Bye.